The best weed killer for clover. Clovers are sometimes used as ground cover because they are soft to walk on and mow well. However, clover can become invasive and attract bees, stain clothes, and turn an unattractive brown. Identification. Several species of clover exist. The two most common in the United States are white clover and red clover. White clover, which grows between 6 and 8 inches, is characterized by heart-shaped leaves with white crescents and pink or white flowers. Red clovers have 3 elliptic leaflets and pink or red flowers. Chemical control. Spray clover with methylchlorophenoxypropionic acid MCPP in the spring or fall when temperatures are cool. MCPP, which may also be listed as Macoprop, is the active ingredient in clover killer and can be found in some broadleaf weed killers. Note that it will take 6 to 8 after spraying for clover to disappear. Alternative control methods. Maintaining a healthy lawn helps prevent clover from taking over. Ensure the grass is watered thoroughly every week. Conversely, frequently light watering encourages clover growth. In addition, do not mow your lawn shorter than 2.5 to 3 inches.